This is Planet Vehicle. I'm Alvin Jones, and today I have on gloves and glasses because I am in Baltimore, Maryland, home of the Ravens, world champions in the Super Bowl. And we are inside the Baltimore Operations plant for GM, where they build the electric motors for the new Spark EVs.
And you'll all find out a little bit more later. So this will be the stator, and the other piece will be the rotor. You'll learn all about how we make them and what they do when we put them together.
Governor O'Malley, welcome to Planet Vehicle, first of all. Let's talk about your impressions of today's plant, what you saw today, and what it means for not only the country, jobs, and of course the Bay.
Yeah, this is advanced manufacturing. This is clean and green manufacturing. This is the Spark. This is the new generation of electric drive vehicles, and I'm so proud that it's being built here in White Marsh, where we have one of the most highly skilled workforces that you'll find anywhere in the world. And it's really the talent and the skills of the men and women of the UAW working here at GM in White Marsh that make this such a great product. GM really gets it. If you look at how GM incorporates solar energy into their manufacturing, you look at the things that they're doing to move towards zero waste, this is the future. This is how we're going to have to redesign and rethink the way that we work and the way we produce things in order to preserve the natural environment. So here in Maryland, where we are so close to the Chesapeake Bay, we understand that the actions we take in terms of the intentional design we bring to transportation or the homes or the buildings that we build, all has to do with making our environment cleaner and greener and giving our children a more prosperous future. Let me take a pithier run at that. In our state, we aspire to be a Maryland that is smart, green, and growing. Growing most especially jobs and prosperity for the next generation. And the way we do that is through innovation. Innovative things like the new Spark that is rolling off the lines with GM that will allow us to get from point A to point B and also do it in a way that doesn't pump greenhouse gas emissions and damage the planet. So it all goes together.
So you're going to drive one today?
I'm going to go drive one right now.
All right. I want to get your impressions when you're done.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
So, Governor, what'd you think?
Great. I mean, it handled like a sports car. Had a whole lot of giddy up and go to it. Well, you certainly didn't feel like you were driving some sort of go-kart. I mean, you could really feel it just go from zero to whatever I was going to.
So you think it's a good job?
I think it's a great car, and I think it'll sell very, very well.
So there you have it. Taken straight from the governor. He says Sparks are good.
Sparks are good.